The figure below, not drawn to scale, shows two overlapping rectangles A and B and a triangle C. 60% of rectangle A is shaded. 5/6 of rectangle B is unshaded. Half of triangle C is shaded. The area of the shaded triangle and the area of the shaded rectangle are in the ratio 1:1. What is the ratio of the area of the total shaded parts to the area of the whole figure? So it says that there are two overlapping rectangles, so it's over here, A and B, and a triangle C, so triangle here, and 60% of the rectangle A is shaded. So first we need to work out what is 60%. So 60% is equivalent to 60 over 100, which is equals to 3/5. That is to say, this is actually 3 units of A out of a total of 5 units of rectangle A, which means that the total unshaded part of A is equivalent to 2 units. Now, although it looks a bit weird because the shaded part looks smaller than the unshaded part, okay, but we cannot actually assume that it's smaller. So we still have to take it as what the question has said. So since 60% of rectangle A is shaded, it means it's this plus this plus this is equal to 2 parts, excluding this because this is also shaded, right? So which means that this and this add up to 3. Then it says that 5/6 of rectangle B is unshaded. So rectangle B, if 5/6 is unshaded, means that this is 5 units and this is 1 unit. Then the last sentence says that half of triangle C is shaded. So half of triangle C is shaded means that this is 1 unit and this is 1 unit. Then it says the area of the shaded triangle, which is this one, and the area of the shaded rectangle, which is this one, are in the ratio 1:1. Which means that in terms of the blue and pink, this is already 1 unit and this is also 1 unit. So this 5 units is actually similar. The size of 1 unit is actually similar for B and C. The only problem that we have is for this 3 units, which is the green part, talking about this area of this triangle plus this, area of this rectangle plus the area of this triangle is equivalent to 3 parts. So, which means that if they are equal, this should actually be equivalent to 1.5 of the green, and this is also 1.5 of the green. Now, to make them equal, we can actually times 2, meaning that the green can actually times 2, so we will get 3 here. So I use the orange to show the new ratio. This is equivalent to 3 and this is equivalent to 3. So the white parts are all equivalent to 4. Now for the blue, which is 1, to become 3, it must also multiply by 3. So which means that this must times 3 and we'll get 15 units here. So for the pink, in order to be 3, again it must also times 3. So to times 3, I'll get 3 units here. Okay, so take into consideration that this 4 refer to this triangle, this rectangle, and this will be a total of 4 units. So the final question is asking, what is the ratio of the area of the total shaded parts to the area of the whole figure? So the total shaded parts would be a total of the orange units, which is 3 plus 3 of which is 6 units, while the total figure would be a total of 15 plus 4 plus 3 and plus back the shaded part, which is 6. So 15 plus 4 plus 3 plus 6, and you will get a 28 units. But the question is asking for ratio of shaded is to unshaded. So it'll be 6 is to 28, and if we reduce to the lowest term, it'll be 3 is to 14.